Welcome back to Crypto Gems. Today we're going to be going over Ethernity chain. We're going to go over the website, their Twitter account, their roadmap. We're going to show you the marketplace and some big news involving locking up their coins. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. Let's jump in. Okay, so this is Ethernity chain, the world's first authenticated and licensed NFT platform. The great news is they have an app coming out soon. You'll be able to do a lot of different things on this app. You can see here, mobile app. We're extremely excited to announce that our native mobile app for both iOS and Android is set to release. Our mobile application will be the first of its kind, offering an omni-channel approach, allowing users for full cross-platform compatibility. Very, very exciting. They've also got a Discord and Telegram. You can join those as well and learn more about it. And if you'd like to purchase Ethernity, I'll go ahead and link it down into the description below. They've got a lot of different collections. They've got the Muhammad Ali collection, the AFA collection, Associated Press. There's Dak Prescott, Dan Marino, Heavy Metal, James Dean. They've got a lot of different big time figures, and including there's a Shaq as well NFT project here also. There's a video here you could watch. They have a few tutorial videos that you can check out how it works, getting started, buying ERN tokens, and purchasing your first NFT. And they've got a few testimonials. Anthony Pompliano said he made a mistake about NFTs, and NFTs are going to be much bigger than anticipated. You can also view their marketplace. You can see their NFTs they have here. Pretty awesome. They're 3D. They've got a very, very cool animations and NFTs here. They've got a lot of different projects. They got Dak Prescott, Zeke Elliott. They've got a Shaquille O'Neal, Vortex. They got a Bruce Lee NFTs, and you can pay for them with the Ethernity token or wrapped Ethereum. You can also use it on the Ethereum network and Polygon. They do have a Polygon bridge. So let's check out their Twitter. They've got 123,000 followers on their Twitter page. Their community seems to be very, very strong. And specifically, they just posted this roadmap. In Q1 of 2022, they've got 14 different things they want to accomplish. Ethernity V2 website upgrade, the pre-register for Metaverse, Ethernity Packs, mobile app launch, PFP avatar project launch phase 1, direct staking implementation, NFT staking, NFT lending contingent to regulations, first white label partnership, cross-chain minting for NFTs, mystery boxes reveal at launch Ethernity merch store, major stone event model upgrade, Eternal Labs launch. So they are very, very lofty. They're accomplishing a lot of different things in Q1. In Q2, they've got 9 different elements that they'd like to tackle in Q2. They've got 7 different things they want to accomplish in Q3 and 10 different things they want to accomplish in Q4. So very, very busy for Ethernity. They've got a very lofty roadmap. A lot of people seem to be very, very excited about Ethernity. Now, as you know, things have been bearish in the markets as of lately. Ethernity chain has actually had a 80% retracement to the downside, so it could be a very, very good time to scoop some up. That, along with their mobile app coming soon, is a very, very bullish. Another thing to know about Ethernity is they recently had a sales report and ERN buyback. They're buying back some Ethernity, and the cool thing about this is that they're locking up that profit of Ethernity for up to 2 years. So you can see here, as announced on March 6th in 2021 Medium Post, the buyback program, our process of buying and locking 75% of all ERN profits into a contract vault for 2 years is now completed from drops Zeke Elliott to James Dean. So this is a massive piece of news. You can come here and verify everything yourself. You may verify the lock-in time and the lock-in ERN amounts by querying the public functions lock-in time in seconds and amounts in history on Etherscan. And it's doing this based on time, so you can see it will be locked up for exactly 63,072,000 seconds. And as far as their roadmap goes, they're going to be launching PFP avatars, of course their iOS app and Android app, as well as the launch of the Eternal Metaverse. And you'll be able to utilize your NFTs and avatars. It's a play-to-earn metaverse. Very, very exciting news. So we went over the Ethernity website. I showed you the marketplace. I showed you the buyback program that they have going on, the NFT metaverse that's coming out, and their roadmap. I've also showed you the upcoming app that's about to drop for Ethernity chain, and that it might be a great time to buy it at an 80% retracement. They've got a very, very strong community on Twitter as well as Discord and Telegram. And so if you'd like to purchase Ethernity, invest in this project, I'll go ahead and leave the link down in the description below. So thank you again for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like. Make sure to add any comments with questions that I may not have answered or covered, and subscribe to our ICO Investor channel so you can get other great content like this that will help you out in your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thank you so much for being here.